Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to enable the autocorrection on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Language and Input, and here we've got our keyboard applied, so let's tap on it. Now let's choose the typing, and at the very first position we've got the autocorrect option. To turn it on, just tap on the switcher right next to it, and from now on this device will predict your words and it will be corrected while typing. So that's all. This is how to activate autocorrection in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.